The Tucson Streetcar app makes it easy to see where the next streetcar is located along the route. The Tucson Streetcar app is free and available on iOS and Android smartphones. Go to your mobile app store and download the Tucson Streetcar app. Open the app and find your location or find your preferred streetcar stop. You may need to enable GPS location in your phone settings. Follow the direction of the large blue streetcar icons to track when that streetcar will arrive to your stop. To see the streetcar number, click on the icon. A valid fare is required to ride. As you wait for the streetcar to arrive, you can purchase a SunGo ticket at the streetcar stop, or use the Go Tucson Transit mobile app to add a single boarding fare or pass on your phone. As the streetcar approaches, remember to stay behind the pavement markings and wait for it to make a complete stop before boarding. Tap your ticket or SunGo card on the fare validator as you board, and enjoy the ride.